أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we are going to discuss three major mistakes you are doing in Ayatul Kursi. The first one, this one the people always read like La ta khuzuhu. This one sinataun, and this one wahuwal ali azim, but this one is jul azim. Now let's make them correct. This one is la, and when Hamza is silent, like Hamza has a sukoon or jazm, we will read it with a jar voice, like La ta'khuzuhu ta, not ta. We will read it ta khuzuhu. Sina taun is wrong. Taun is the double fathatain, or you can call it tanween fatha sound. But then this one is tanween dhamma, double dhamma, or dhammatain sound. We will read it tu, tu, sinatu, wala naum. Okay? La ta'khuzuhu sinatu wala naum. Now this one, except Ayatul Kursi. Rest of all the places we read it Wahuwal Aliyyil Azim. But in Ayatul Kursi we read Wahuwal Aliyyul. Ya has Dhamma Aliyyul Azim. This one people, some of the people read Yahuduhu. This is U Hamza sound. Yahuduhu. I hope you understand. If you learn something new, kindly like this video, subscribe my channel, and till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.